This method actually came about from me wanting to do a wing liner, but just not having the patience or the time to figure it out on my eye shape. Wing liner is hard, like actually hard, even for a pro. Look, if you've got deep set or hooded eyes like me, then you already know the struggle. It's not cute. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how I do it, keeping it easy and minimal, but also complementing my eye shape. I have already done a video on this channel on how to do a wing liner for deep set or hooded eyes. I will link that above, but this is sort of my 2.0 version, if that makes any sense. I've adapted it and I've definitely made it much easier. So the goal here is balance and visibility. Now we want to make sure when the eye is open that the wing is not distorted by the brow bone, or if you have it, a hood. For a deep set or hooded eye, you have to remember that when the eye is open, the wing will be distorted. So the way I do it is I avoid my brow bone, or if I had it, I would avoid my hood, if I can. I know sometimes people have a hood that goes all the way down, in which case you can watch my video. I go much more in depth about that on how to really go over the hood or over the bone. This is basically my quick and dirty version of that video. I have the 24/7 Urban Decay inks. This is in 0. This is their black that they have. I love this liner. This is in my kit. I love how ergonomic it is. It fits really nicely in my hands and it's super fluid. It doesn't skip. It's just really nice to do a quick liner and get out the door. So what I like to do, all right, I had to zoom in just so you could see everything that I'm doing. So basically, let me make a little mark. Do you see that right there? It's very, very small, but do you see how it kind of extends straight out? That's where we're working from. And we're gonna work in baby steps. Just like that. You see how I've extended that line? And then I'm just gonna go back. So that's basically the shape that we're working with right now. So what I wanna do is I wanna take the lower line and just connect it down, almost connecting it with the lower lash line. Can you see that? How that lower line has connected with the lower lash line? It's basically like if you're taking a triangle, so this is the outer corner of my eye, and we're basically just like hugging the wing and just extending it like that. I know that's a really rudimentary example. It's so finely detailed that it's really hard to see. I guess I should have gotten a macro lens for this tutorial. Sorry about that. But I would never use it. I would just use it for this tutorial and that's it. And I don't know if you can see, but with my eye open, the wing completely avoids the top fold and the brow bone. So I have a Q-tip here. I'm making it really pointy by spinning it in between my fingers. Keep your face relaxed. Keep your eyes relaxed. Just gonna zoom out a little bit. Looking far away, you're still kind of getting that feline look, but another thing I like to do is I'll take any black eyeliner, this is from ColourPop, and I will just tightline on that outer third, just right there, and kind of wiggle it between the lashes. Easy peasy. You don't have to worry about bringing it in and shaping it and keeping your eye open and extending it over the bone and then figuring out like the bat wing placement and all that. I don't have time for that. I don't know about you, but I don't have time for that. But I love the way this looks. I'm gonna do the other eye quickly and then I'm gonna come back and show you. So here is both eyes done. Do you see how it's minimal, but it's not simple? It's very balanced and it was so easy to do. You just literally extend the bottom, connect in, and it's a very, very small wing, as you can see. I did a little cleanup with some Q-tips and then I added the eyeliner underneath and a little more mascara and we're done. Wing liner does not have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be this humongous thing. It could be a really simple statement that doesn't take you 15 minutes to do. Please try it and let me know if it works for your eye shape, or if you have any other tips for me, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe for more pro makeup content from me. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next week with a brand new video.